In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable add-ins in new Outlook. Now to do this, first you want to open up Outlook, you want to go to the top here on the Home tab, and then from here on the right you can see More Apps and it says Add-ins. So you want to click on More Apps, and then you want to click on Get Add-ins down here at the bottom right. Now when you do this, it's going to open up add-ins for Outlook, and as you can see, there's going to be like a bunch of different ones. You can just search for those you want to use. For example, I'm just going to click on this one over here, the first one. I'm going to click on add, and then I'm going to click on continue over here, and it's going to get added like this over here, as you can see. And now it's going to kind of teach you how you can use this for a specific ad, and of course add in, and you can go and click on the X button, and as you can see, it's now been added over here. Now if I go to more apps up here, of course I can go and add more if I want to as well, but that's essentially how to do this. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.